Hello and welcome back to Fast Facts for You, the channel where we bring you the most interesting and fascinating facts from around the world. Let's dive into the world of Fast Facts for You. Today, we will discuss the skills and knowledge you need to get a job in the AI industry. AI or artificial intelligence is a field that involves developing intelligent machines that can work and think like humans. As a computer science student, there are certain skills and knowledge you should have to be successful in this field. Let's dive in. Mathematics. The first thing you need to have is a strong foundation in mathematics. You should be proficient in areas such as calculus, linear algebra, probability, and statistics. These mathematical concepts form the basis of many AI algorithms. Programming. You should also be proficient in programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++. These languages are used extensively in AI development. You should also be comfortable with data structures and algorithms. Thanks for tuning in to my video. If you're enjoying the content so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could take a moment to like this video and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from my audience and it helps me tailor my content to what you guys want to see more of. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that involves developing algorithms that can learn from data. You should have a good understanding of machine learning algorithms such as decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. You should also be familiar with popular machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. Natural language processing. Natural language processing or NLP is a field that involves developing algorithms that can understand and process human language. You should be familiar with NLP techniques such as sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and topic modeling. Data science. Data science involves extracting insights and knowledge from data. As an AI developer, you should be comfortable with data wrangling, data visualization, and exploratory data analysis. In conclusion, to get a job in the AI industry, you need a strong foundation in mathematics, programming, machine learning, natural language processing, and data science. It's also essential to keep up with the latest developments in the field and continue learning. With these skills and knowledge, you can become a successful AI developer. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos and you'll never miss out on any of the fun. So, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thanks for watching.